What is Jobson Mobile all about? Now here's the deal with Jobson Mobile. And I'm going to write it down as well. We're going to have what? A $600 package called Professional Plus, right? We know that, right? Now, in a $600 package, what are we going to have? We're going to have a direct bonus of $225 US, 37.5% payout, which is pretty high. We're going to have a team commission of 300 points. This is what we know about Jobson Mobile or a Professional Plus package, right? What's the deal today? The deal is you don't have to pay what? You don't have to pay 600, and what do you have to pay? Just pay the $400. For an average person, the thought is, oh, I'm going to save $200, which is right. But that's all what they think about. There's nothing wrong with that. For a pioneer, my God, how many am I going to share this with who will pioneer in my network building Jobson Mobile? Why is the company giving you all the things? We have already started beta testing, by the way. Again, I'll take 60 seconds to show you something. Just started beta testing. But why is the company showing you smart mails and games are running? We even have videos. I think it's a few seconds video where it shows everything is perfectly running from the developers on Jobson Mobile. Why? Does the company have to, say, okay, save $200? No. Smart Media doesn't need to do it. The product is so powerful that when it comes out, Smart Media says, you pay that extra $200, otherwise you're not going to get it. You will pay. Why do I know that? Not just because I believe in it, but because I'm using it as a beta tester. That's why I can see that. Can you imagine what I'm talking about? They didn't have to do it. 100,000 people pay $200. What happens to Smart Media? That's a lot of money. We could have made money easily. It's not about making money for them, right? Working to make the world a better place. That's what our motto is, our objective is. Right? How do you do that? By doing things like this. Did we have to pay you a direct bonus of $225 US? No, we didn't have to. In fact, there were suggestions where people said, don't pay. The company said, we will. We will pay as much as we were paying on the professional package, if you do the percentages. Wow. Why? 300 points. Your tree is out of balance. One sign up, cycle bonus. One sign up, cycle bonus. Wow. But you have to build the groundwork today. That's important. And that's not happening, isn't it? Time is running out. This offer has been there for over 30 days. So I'll give you a quick comparative analysis. And there are people in your country doing very good building this. They're extremely excited taking advantage of this. Why? They're getting the groundwork ready. Why? Because most people look at the end result. Oh wow, how did that happen? Oh wow, why does this guy cycle out 167 times in a month? Our highest cycle bonus achiever cycled out 167 times in the month when the company announced this offer. Why? Why? What is he doing? He's building the base. He's getting ready. Makes sense? Okay, now let me give you two comparisons over here. Two comparisons of yourself. To show you something very interesting. Now this is U1. I'll use another marker to show you U2. You decide which you want to be. Now, there are no time limits when Jobson Mobile is coming out. There's no time limit. I don't know when that's going to happen. What I do know is we have started beta testing. Company has announced this. We are doing it. You'll see some of it live today. Not on Jobson Mobile, but the Jobson game. Which means what? Which means we are getting closer, right? Not far away, right? Okay. So let's say, this is an example, could be a faster than that. Let's say in the next 30 days, U1 is this guy who's like, oh, you know what, I'm going all out from tonight. With Christmas around the corner, with New Year around the corner and all those resolutions around the corner, I'm going all out tonight. Okay, this guy says in the next 30 days, I'm going to go and get 100 people in the next 30 days. Of course, I'm not talking about your directs, I'm not talking about your team. As a pioneer, you need to think as a team. Okay? I'm going to go and get 100 people in a professional package. And I'll give you a tip. Go home, open your back office, click on accounting, click on payment statistics. Can you have that? Click on payment statistics. In payment statistics, if you see basic and basic plus members, ask yourself why are they still in basic? Why did they not upgrade? The first thing you want to know is, did anyone even bother telling them about it? or just presumed they're dead? They might be, you might be right. If the company is going the extra mile, are you going the extra mile? Think about it. Because the ones who are going are doing great. And again, when this is finished, you will see the real result. When you'll be like, wow, how did that happen? This is how it's happening. That's what I'm sharing with you, the secret. Right? So what do? So let's say this guy goes and gets his team. There's nothing wrong with it. If someone comes in a smaller package, push, work. Get their efforts, get them upgraded. Right? Pay the difference, get them upgraded. You can't say I don't have money and I don't want to perform, right? You can say, okay, I don't have money. Perform, upgrade. But you can't say I don't have money and I don't want to perform. That's not being fair, right? Okay? So, do go all out. Let's say you manage to do this in 30 days. There are 100 people there who are born in a professional package in your network, okay? Now, let's say that Yopsec Mobile magically is still not yet released. Okay? So, let's do another 30 days. Now what we're doing is, when they see you as crazy as you should be, what happens? They go and share the business with another 100. Okay, 100 is too much. They go and share the business with just 10 people. Okay, just go and share the business with what? Another 10 people. Now what do we have? We have another 1,000 people in the next 30 days in what? In a professional package. We're just talking about professional package. Why? Because the offer is still on. Can finish anytime, okay? Now, let me give you an idea of what happened here, okay? But writing over here, 1,000 people have a sponsor, someone sponsored them, right? Every time someone sponsors, what happens? $150, right?
$150,000.
There's $150,000 that would be paid out to these 100 people in your network in direct bonus. Think about this. How is that going to change their lifestyle? That's a lot of money we are talking about. That's 38% payout, right? Approximately. That's $150,000 already paid out to these guys. What will their mindset be by now? If you got even, let's say, $10,000 US in what? In 30 days, what would your lifestyle be? What would your mindset be? How much would you be more sold out on smart media? What would your full-time job become? Right? See what's happening here. Now, not just that. Okay, these guys, big deal. 100 people made $150,000. It's a pretty big deal. Remember that. You change the lifestyle of your people, your lifestyle changes, right? That's the beauty of team commissions. Now, let's see what happens next. Now, 1,000 people added 200 points to your network. 200,000 points came to you. But what happened? 200,000 points came to you. Remember, when I say you, it doesn't mean it skipped all of them. It went through them to come to you, right? Team commission, whoa. Presuming Yopsec Mobile has not yet been launched. Presuming the offer is still on. I'm doing 30 days, you do 15 days. You do 10 days, I'm just giving you an example here. What am I doing? I'm comparing this guy who can take all the action in the world today compared to a guy who is waiting. So I'll come back to that guy in a while, okay? So let's stop here and now let's look at this guy. Okay, now let's understand this guy's psychology. This guy is like, see, I told you these guys are not going to launch Yopsec Mobile. They're just going to keep giving teaser and teaser. I'll wait. And then what happened? 30 days pass. Probably he's not even active by now. Or he's like, I'll wait and see what happens. Now with 0 people, how good is he going to do in the next 30 days?
0.
0, right? He's like, I'm seriously doubtful about this company anymore now. I might do a few money games in the middle and try and see if he can get some money from there or do some part-time jobs and things like that, or keep doubting the company. Okay? His action, right? Now what happens when Yopsec Mobile comes out here? Let's say January, February. Let's say this is 28th of February. Let's put a date. Again, I'm not saying it will. I don't think it will come out that late, but just for an example here to understand to see the real picture. 28th Feb, what happens? Yopsec Mobile comes out. Now this guy, whoa, this guy, let's say, is more excited than you. He's going to go all out. Okay? So what happens now? He starts with how many people?
0.
He starts with 0 people. He's totally crazy. He goes all out. You know, he's not sleeping, he's not eating, he's not drinking. Question: do you think he's going to sign up 10 1,000 people?
No.
Do you think you have a team of 1,000 people? At this point he's at 0. At this point you're already at 1,000 people. Remember, the reason you see any of these companies become so big, whether it's Google, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Yahoo, whether it's Facebook, it's because of the power of people. Do not underestimate 3 billion people using internet, right? Because of the power. And of course, they have a valuable product to offer or a service to offer, but set aside. Can you imagine what's happening here? Why is it that in the last 2 years, Facebook grew more bigger and faster than they ever did in the history? So 8 years, right? 6 years growth of Facebook is much lower than the last 2 years. Why? Why? I'll ask you another question. 1.2 billion people use Facebook today. If they find one new person who's not on Facebook, what happens to Facebook? Facebook grows to 2.4 billion people. See what's happening? And put money with it. What if this was money? That's what's happening here. So this guy just missed the most important time. This guy is what? A pioneer? No. There's no way this guy can be a pioneer. This guy is a pioneer. Whatever results this guy gets, if this guy got 10 and 100 here, he's still way ahead of this guy. Makes sense? So it doesn't have to be this, but these are just examples, and this is very much doable. The reason I gave this example is because this is doable. There are, how many signups do we do? We have around average over 1,000 to 1,100 Yopson owners, new Yopson owners coming every month in your country. Very real example. What's going to happen after Yopson Mobile? The numbers will just go crazy. Why? Because someone is doing the hard work today, while someone is waiting. So this guy goes all out, and now he says, you know what? Watch me. I'm going to, in the next 30 days, really do amazing. Okay, so this guy in the next 30 days goes and gets 100 people through his team, and you know, if that's even possible, what's going to happen here? Let's see. In the next 30 days, your 1,000 people go and get 10 people each, because Yopson Mobile has been released. Let's say this time, what just happened? 10,000 people. Can you even possibly compare that? You can't. What happened? This is called the first mover advantage. If you ever hear me say this word again, this is what I mean. Right? There will be people who will come here, and you know what? Who will say, what were you waiting for? Didn't you look at that guy? And what can you do then? Can you rewind the time back? No, you can't. You can't. If you want to know what this looks like, what this feels like, I wish I could bring some of those people who said no to me 16 months ago up over here. I don't know where they are these days, but if I could bring them up over here, they'll tell you what it feels like. Some of them, they give me all the reasons why this business will not work. And by the way, they told me that they were very busy also. They were too busy to do a $4 million business, right? That's what Smart Media is today, right? Over a $4 million business. So it's never about being busy. It's never about being busy. It's about prioritizing what you have. If someone tells you they're busy, they're saying you're not important, or your opportunity, your business is not important. That's the only meaning. Did God give anyone less hours in a day? Can you think of anyone? From Bill Gates to the poorest person on this planet? Everyone gets 24 hours, right? So how come some people are very busy? They have other priorities in life. As simple as that. Set new standards. You want to do this? Set new standards. Set new belief systems. Set new mindsets. What am I showing you? Why am I still excited after $4.3 million and all the passive income coming into me? Why? Boy, this is not just about making some money. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity probably for me. Because you know what? I've been in direct sales 18 years. I've been in IT or internet online for 18 years. Trust me, never ever there was a Fortune 500 potential company who came and told me that we're going to give you a share. I would be happy if Google offered that to me 14 years ago. I'm not sure if I would have taken it then or not, because it's hard to believe that that's so big. Today, 14 years ago, Smart Media is giving you that today. You really want to wait? So every time you go home, you celebrate a nice weekend, and you're watching your movie and you relax and you're comfortable. Think about this. Is that what you really want? I don't have anything against you watching a movie or relaxing. You do the right thing at the wrong time, you get paid. Remember this. You do the right thing at the wrong time, you get pain. You do the right thing at the right time, you have an opportunity. You probably could have an opportunity of a lifetime. So, all of this is going to happen in less than 90 days, guys. Maybe less than 60 days. You really want to wait? Prioritize things in your life. When you leave from here today, ask yourself, hey, this year is coming to an end. There are people cycling out like crazy in this country. Why? Why am I not doing it? What is it that I'm not doing? Go back to your team leader. Get all the knowledge you're getting from here, and if I'm being recorded, listen to it. Find out what is it that you're not doing and start doing it. Will it be easy? No. But at the end, it would be worth it. You know? At the end, it will be worth it. So fight for it. That's what Jobson Mobile is all about. This is where fortunes start coming in. I didn't even do the calculation for 10,000 people. But could you imagine having a network 90 days from today which could potentially look like this? Now let me share with you a real story. This is the story of my upline and a very dear friend of mine, Stephen Wright. Okay, with his last company before Smart Media. This other company is a telecommunications company in Australia. Okay, they didn't have a product. Coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. So what he did was he went all out, building the business. He believed in the management, the company. He went all out. His very good friend Carol was skeptical, doubtful, and said, "I will wait." So what happened? In about 90 days, when Stephen went all out building the business, his income reached around close to $3,000 a week. Okay? Coming soon, okay? Smart Media never was coming soon since 2009. We never were coming soon. We always had a product, something more was coming soon. Okay? This company didn't have a product. Okay? Now what happened is, when the product came out, this lady Carol, because I'm mentioning the names, but the story is public. Carol said, okay, I'm going to go all out now, and she is good. You want to know what Carol is? After 150 direct sign-ups in Smart Media, she stopped counting.
Wow.
Okay? That's how good she is. Okay? So what happens with this last company? Carol says, I'm going to go all out and really blast this business, and she starts doing that. In about the next 60 days, after the launch of the product, about next 60 days, Stephen Wright's income went from approximately $3,000 a week to $35,000 a week. Real story, guys. Do you think Carol would have done that? Nothing even close to it. The competition became more because the product is out. More people knew about that company and the product, it became more difficult. That's what happened. Real story, guys. It's in one of our company updates as well, long time ago. Really, guys? So when I show you these numbers, trust me, this is happening. A year ago when I shared with some of our leaders, we were going to look at something around $3 to $4 million in sales. They couldn't understand what I just said. What? We were very small. When we did our mega event, the big event, the 800 people event in Sunway Lagoon Club in March, we were not even $2 million in sales. See what's happening? It's speeding up. So in the next 12 months, what are we looking at? $40 million. Today, if I go and talk to some of the people, what are you talking about? $40 million? Are you kidding? Are you serious? That's exactly what people told me 12 months ago. Yeah, we are very serious. We are in a very serious business, guys. So my advice is, get serious. Whether you're doing this business full-time or part-time, do it with a full-time attitude. When you have to work, work. Okay, that's very important. Okay? So, that's what Jobson Mobile is going to do. Okay? Now, let me tell you something, and I've always been on a camera telling this, and I'm very proud to say this because this is true. Do you know that in the last 5 years, only on Apple platform or iOS, over 1 billion apps were downloaded? Statistics. I'm not talking about Android, iOS, Apple, or Apple Store. 1 billion apps were downloaded by the users. Last 5 years. The number is increasing every minute, every hour. Can you imagine that? Now, what if I told you that Jobson Mobile beats any other app out there in the world? To check my mail, I need to download an app called Yahoo Mail. But I can't Google on that app, can I? Certainly doesn't pay me. Certainly doesn't give me any social points. See what I'm talking about. Okay? I can download Google Chrome as an app. It's a browser. It doesn't give me any laptops or referral drawers. It doesn't give me 1,000 courses. Certainly doesn't pay me. These are some famous apps. I'm just trying to help you imagine what I'm talking about. If only I could give you my brain and my eyes so you can see what I see. And imagine what I'm imagining. Guys, 1 billion apps were downloaded and I'm telling you that nothing even comes close to Yopson Mobile. That's what I'm telling you. So how quickly will people start downloading Yopson Mobile once it's out? In fact, they will do it so fast. And you know, when Facebook was launched, it didn't come out on an app. It took them for a while to come out on an app, and then you saw what happens. You know, the growth. App is the next big thing, isn't it? So imagine an app that pays you on pay-per-click. Imagine an app which you can give to your friends and tell them that you are the owner of this network. That's what you are. Although the developers are smart media, but you're the owner, right? Do you think all the apps are actually built by the owners themselves? No, someone does it for them. That's what's happening here. Smart media build it for you, you're the owners of it. Can you imagine giving that powerful piece of tool to someone on the smartphone? And what stopped you was that. What stopped you was this, was self-doubt. Self-doubt is what stops us, our number one enemy. It's small voice that comes from inside, right? Who are you kidding? 200,000 points? You must be crazy. You can't do that. Probably this guy is lying about it. Right? That inner voice. Self-doubt, that's it. Are you crazy enough to dream big? Most people are not. They compromise, right? Results, when results don't come, what do most people do? Say it's okay. I still don't understand how do people work on a Friday, fighting that traffic for hours and make it to their home. And they do it every week after week, month after month, year after year. I just don't understand. Can you imagine that? What will it cost you guys? Sweat, effort, rejections, believing in yourself. You're not doing it alone, you're doing it with a team that believes in you, right? Otherwise, why are you here today? Would have wished that we had a bigger room today? From all that you're listening and all that you've seen and all that's going to happen, all that I'm not going to share with you. That's what you need to do. That's what you need to think. You know, there are two kinds of people I met when pay-per-click came out. One, people who started running over 100 cycles in a month. The other who said, yeah, very good. Pay-per-click is up and running. That's it. Which one are you? This guy is certainly going to do that. When Yopson goes, oh wow, Yopson is up and running. But some guys will be doing this. And more than this guys. Because some of them have already started this 30 days ago. See what's happening? You want to rest after February 2014. My sincere advice is that. 2 weeks ago approximately, I was in Philippines doing what? Building Yopson, building a company with what? One person that I know in that country. I've kind of got into a habit of doing it, right? Why? Robert Kiyosaki says winning is a habit. But you have to build it. You can't wake up next morning and feel all excited and go and conquer the world. You can't do it in one day. You can't do it. You build a habit. Just like all your bad habits, you were not born with them, guys. You were not born with them. You build them. Okay? Similarly, you can build good habits. How do you do that? By consistently doing things again and again. I still remember Robert Kiyosaki. He said that when I want to finalize one real estate deal, one investment deal, I go through 100 deals to finalize one. How many people do that? Very, 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 very few. Then he says that when I start getting into the practice of doing it, it comes easy for me. Yeah? A couple of years ago, when I used to do training, I used to have all my notes over here, I would look at them and then talk and all that. What happened? Practice. Right? You do anything consistently, you practice, you get used to it. Now, here's the challenge. You can have good habits and bad habits, right? Both need practice. For example, I still don't understand how can people be stuck in a traffic jam for 2 hours? Practice. They've been doing it for months and weeks and years after years. Probably that's the only logical explanation to it, right? Otherwise, I just can't imagine how that's even possible. I just requested Lechmi that your leaders did an amazing job to actually have this event. So let's first give them a big round of applause for actually making this. And secondly, I told them, please don't do it on a Friday evening again. Okay, so whichever day, but not on a Friday evening, because I just can't imagine why. This is the thing, you need to change something when you leave from here. And it doesn't change in one night, make it a habit. Right? So, you guys know my story. Came in this country knowing two people build a business that it stands for today. Going to a different country, doing the same thing and doing it again and again. Guys, if I can build 4.3 million business, of course with the help of you guys, knowing two people in this country, don't you think you guys should do better than that? Well, this will still be a part of my business, but I'll be more than happy. Can you imagine? So if I can do that, why can't you? If I could do landing in Ipoh, calling my friend in Penang Island to pick me up, thinking it's a 5-minute drive, I just found out that it was like a different state. On my day one, it's a real story, you know? It's a real story. I'm like, okay, alright, sorry. The next state, that's how bad I was on day one, guys. Can anyone say they were worse than me? Or they are worse than me? No, can't, right? So it's not the resources that you have. It's how resourceful you become building the resources. Okay? Remember that. It's not the resources that you have. A lot of people are so focused on the resource. I cannot go presentation, I cannot do it, I cannot take vision, I cannot. What can you do? Let's start with what you can do. And then surround yourself with people who can actually do that. My second highest income earner in this country hates computers. I wish you meet him one day. He got a Nokia Lumina smartphone, first time ever, and he really cursed that phone. He prefers the other one. The other one with buttons on it. He's the second highest income earner in this country. Why? Team Commission doesn't say you need to be a software engineer, C++ programmer, and then we'll pay you $50 in every cycle, and then we'll pay you $50,000 a week. No. It says you perform, doesn't matter who you are, what your age is, what your background is. You do it smart, you do it right, you get the right people, become resourceful, and the resources will flow. The more resourceful you are, the more money you will make. Have you ever wondered about something that you could be running around from one place to another to get one job done, the other guy just picks up the phone call and it's done?
Work smart.
Right? Yeah. Work smart. And how do you work smart? If you keep saying, I don't have that and I can't do this and I can't do that, that's not smart. Start looking. You're not good in presenting, start looking for people who are, get them in your business. You're not good in clicking on all those things, get those people. Set new standards. Get people who are like you better than you. That's what I look for. I look for people who are better than me. Why? Good for me, right? Team commissions, that's the whole idea. So that's what you need to look for. Set new standards for yourself and then go out and look for it. Will it be easy to get people who are better than you in this business? No. Get your people. That's where your upliners come in. That's why it's called team commissions, not direct bonus. Why don't we remove all that money and put it in direct bonus? Why is it team commissions? Because we are in a networking business. We're not in a sales business. Not that I've got anything against them. It's a pretty tough thing to do. Sell them 5 years, 10 years, 20 years down the line, you're still selling. That's what networking doesn't do. But what you need to realize is that you don't have to be a sales agent. Someone asked me, what business are we in? We're in a business where we build people. That's the business we are in. What kind of a business is that? Come on, I'll show you. Makes sense? So that's what the business we are in, because otherwise, if you're just doing sales, what happens? Duplication doesn't happen. You're like, oh, okay, alright, doesn't matter. Next. You don't spend the time and energy. Sometimes what happens is, when you start smart media, you've got like 10, 50, 20 people, the energy is gone out, and you're like, all I see is 20 people on my list. What most people don't have is the vision. When that energy is drained out, what you need is a vision, right? Where are you going with this? How much energy and effort, tell me honestly, would you spend on someone you knew you are gonna get paid for the rest of your life from? Think about that. 20% of the income, all the points, that's an income, right? How much energy and time you're going to spend on someone if you knew you're going to earn money from for the rest of your life? A lot, isn't it? That's what it's going to take. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is that, with that, I'm actually going to show you the last piece. And what's that? That's Jobson mobile game. And I'm going to give you a shocking surprise. So, less than 100 people in the world have actually seen a live demo of what I'm going to share with you. Okay, there we go. Alright, so what you're looking at in my hand is an Apple iPad Air. It's my first time using an iPad ever in my life. It's not a bad device, right? So I'm just telling you how lame I am when it comes to tablets and all that. It's a bit shaky, but you can kind of see what's happening, right? Can't we get it better, because I really want to show you the graphics. Let me see. It's quite clear?
Yes.
Alright. This projector is not Apple compatible. That's what Apple will say. Alright, okay. So over here, I'm actually going to pull out one of the apps that's over here. Bubble Champion. You've seen pictures of this. I'm actually going to play it live. I'm not a game guy, so you should know that. I'm not really good at it. Look at the graphics. Apart from the shaky stuff, all those dots, but it's pretty good. So when I saw the graphics for the first time, now someone like me who has never played a game or even used a tablet before, I was like, wow, this is pretty cool. This is only 50% of the graphics you're looking at right now, because we're still doing beta testing. So this will be one of the many games Smart Media is going to come out with. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I click on Start. As you can see, pretty neat, right? All these different levels are there. So I'm just going to take this. On a level of 1 to 8, 1 being the least difficult, 8 being the highest difficult. If I had a choice, I'll go for 1. I'll just show you level 5. I'll just show you level 5. See what happens. She's speaking out already over there. Now this is very interesting. This yellow bird, because if I click on this yellow bird, what happens is my online shopping store opens up. And this is not a Smart Media Reward store. This is an in-game shopping store that opens up where you can buy. First, you'll be able to use your social points. Okay, here you can see at the back, 5 social points get super magic boost. Refills your power meter 50% faster. Now this is using social points, 5, 9, 12, 7, 13, 10, all of those. Now that's stage 1. Stage 2, you will be able to pay money and get these. Let's say you ran out of points. What do? 1, go and share with more people. Right? Not bad. I get a lot of invitations on Facebook. Come and play this game and that game. Right? Why? I'm running out of life. Please.
Candy Crush.
Yeah. Candy Crush. Yeah. That's one of them. So here, what's happening here? So if they pay, even let's say for 1,000 users, they pay $1. $1,000 goes to Smart Media. Smart Media says we're going to pay out 50% of that back to you. 50% payout on in-game purchases will be coming out. Not on social points, on in-game purchases. Can you imagine what's happening? Let me give you an idea. Angry Birds, 2 years, $350 million. If I move Angry Birds and go Smart Media and $350 million, 50% paid out. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? With nothing like you can add friends and get social points. Imagine that. There's no owner who gets the money, only Angry Birds or Candy Crush. Just giving you some examples. We'll be having around 8 games to come out with. This is just one of the games. Okay? So how does the game work? Of course we'll have a proper tutorial, but I'm just kind of giving you an idea. I'm almost dead there. So that's it. You know? The bird also ran away. So the bird flies away, but look at that emoticon. Oh my god, what happened, right? Okay, now here, top scorers. Their avatars will be there, their points will be there, their names will be there. How cool is that? You break that, you get social points. Right? Now what happens when you break your 200th level in Angry Birds. You jump and you go for the next level, right? Imagine if you're getting social points. How cool will that be? Can you imagine what's going to happen? Can you, when I do Smart Media presentation and when I'm on a slide like this, I tell people that we're going to change the way people are going to play games forever. Really, that's what's happening here. Why? Why are we so different? Because this is a company where we give. None of the other companies do that, isn't it? Social networks, gaming companies, we're doing that. We're giving it back to you, free and paid, both. Okay? So, quit. Let's go to another level. Let's go to level 5. So, different difficulty levels, and these games are constantly being upgraded. There are different animations, and the bird will stay for a while, staring at me. So, just go and play this game. You can exchange these balls over here. They look the same to me. So, yeah. So you press over there. These balls can be changed over there. Of course, all these different kinds of balls. So we'll have tutorials for these. Okay, where it will explain every single thing. You'll have a help button which you don't see it right now. He doesn't look so happy. So yeah, all of this stuff is going to happen. This is just one game, guys. Do you think Candy Crush is the best game ever on this planet that has ever come? No, pretty straightforward game. It's more addictive though, right? Imagine if Candy Crush or Angry Birds or Cityville or Farmville or any of those games actually had given you an incentive. Or think of someone who plays games who would have got an incentive. What will happen?
Sure.
And then if it's a $350 million company, it would be a $1 billion company. And imagine if they shared that. There are programmers day and night working to make these games a living reality. Yet Smart Media is going to go out and share with people. Can you imagine that? So what you just saw is a live demo of a Smart Media game designed and developed exclusively by Smart Media, perfectly running on an iPad Air. Now, let me show you on this. This is an iPod. I wish it was a mobile phone. Very nice. This is a mobile phone. Right? Okay, so here, also, because we are beta testing, the game is up and running perfectly. So I'm just gonna, let me try something which I've not tried so far. Let me see if I can fix this. Apple device should work. Okay, if it works, great. Yeah, looks like it's gonna work. There you go. This is an iPod. There you go. Come on. Okay, so you go, you press on that, you choose your difficulty level, and you start playing the game. What am I showing you? It's working absolutely fine. This is a different level, okay. It automatically customizes the screen and every single thing over here for you. Press the bird, the in-game shopping opens up, and there you can go and play the game. So that's basically what I wanted to do, a live demo. He doesn't look happy either. Okay, to do a live demo of what an iPod or an iPad and what Yopson Mobile will look like. Did Steve Jobs ever come to you and show you a live demo of an iPod before they launched it? Or did the CEO of Facebook tell you about it? I'm going to launch the Facebook, come and join me in this. I did tell a few people, 2 of them are multi-billionaires. Wow. You see where you're standing right now. You're standing on something bigger than a gold mine. Usually a lot of people never realize that. When you think about something in your life that you have taken for granted, and you realize the value of it when you lose it, right? Or when you're about to lose something very valuable which you didn't care about, and you're like, oh, no way I'm going to give you that, right? So that's what's happening here. This time is not going to come back. Time waits for no one, right? Every day, every hour is counting. When you leave from here, guys, what are you going to do about this? About the event, about a fortune that's going to win. Remember I told you that I'm going to show you a fortune. This is only the basement. It's only you digging down. The real building, just do a projection of this. For the next 12 months, you'll see what building I'm talking about. What kind of fortune we're talking about. The question is, when you leave out from here, what will matter is your attitude, your belief, your action. You have seen enough. And it just keeps getting better. Next week, we're supposed to do a test for Discovery Adventure game. I told you I'm supposed to tell you something shocking, right? I'll write it down for you. because you might not believe when I say it. Okay. Our Social Points reward store, okay, will have over 800 million products to choose
Whoa.
from.
Whoa.
We're taking some of the biggest online companies, and we're combining them under the Social Points reward store. I was very happy with 1 million products because that's the power of being on the internet. We're going to take this. So a Social Point reward store will be a constant development. It's not just going to stop at one. That's where we are going with it. Like what I showed you was just the start of your observation. If that's the start, boy, the future looks bright, right? This is where we want to, what we want to do with our Social Points reward store, guys. Seriously. Could you imagine a community that does that? Could you imagine being the pioneers? There are people who are going to jump. I still tell this to my leaders that there are people who have not even signed up with Smart Media or they're not yet Jobson owners who will actually be millionaires in 2014. We'll come and beat you.
Yeah.
But you have that first mover advantage today. What are you waiting for, guys? That's fine. Do it.